Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be going over how to get custom reg and how to assign it, how all the steps involved basically. So first thing first, you need to find the registration. So I recommend going to the DVLA website. Do not go to any other websites because they'll add extra price on top, whereas you just get it from the actual government DVLA website. So you go to dvlaregistrations.dvla.gov.uk. If you just type in DVLA custom reg, it's usually the first link. So this is the official government website one. So you have no chance of being scammed. Okay, so you want to search a reg. So the way it works is my cars are 2009. So I can't get any plate that says a 10, 11, 12, 13, for anything higher than that basically. I can go lower, but I can't get anything higher. So if you got a 19 plate, you can get anything lower than that. You can't put 20 on, stuff like that. Okay, so I'm just going to search a random name of plate. Type in Boris for Boris Johnson, okay. So here you can see got some random plates here. None of these can be applied to my car as they're all higher plate numbers: 16 plate, 19 plate, 20 plate, 15 plate. Can't put any of them on it, and these are future ones that are coming up, so they'll be on bid, so you can look out for them as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to search again till I get a good example for you. Let me search jump man, big jug. Okay, struggling. What's the common name? Connor. Let's look for Connor. There you go. Okay, so that's a grand. Fucking hell. Okay, be more like this. There, that's a 10 plate. You can't put that on. See what's down here. 64 14 plate. We need an. Let me try find the O. But you get what I mean. So all you do, you click it. Let's just pretend this is a good one. Press blah blah blah. Yes. So you find the one that's correct for yours. Okay, so you got this. You want to make an account. You'll have your user ID there and password. You log in or create an account, which is right there. You create an account and then you basically just buy it, and the £80 fee is already included inside the plate price. And then once it'll say 2 weeks to come, but mine came in about 2-3 days, so yours will come quite fast as well. And you get a form which is a V750. So that's what you're going to need next. Oh. So as soon as you're ready, as soon as that form comes and you're ready, what you want to do is you're going to tell your insurance that you're going to be changing over. So I'm with Carrot Insurance, so I've already told them. So you tell them that you're changing over your plate to a new number plate. They'll either charge you a fee or they won't charge you at all, or they might even give you money back, because custom plates are usually more safer than normal plates because they're not as cloned as well basically. So yeah, so next what you want to do is, okay, so you've done the insurance now, so you told the insurance. Next you want to assign it to your car. For that you go to the government website again, you want to type in assign private number plate or something like that, and it'll come up to this, and then you'll say assign private number plate to a vehicle. So what you need for that is a V750. So that'll be the certificate you got before that shows that you bought the license plate, and then with the license on the top right there's a code. So that's what you're going to type in on here. You put your old registration in, and you might need your logbook number. I'm not too sure. Let me just check. Let's see what it comes up as. So yeah, this is just all the normal stuff. Just making sure you read through all that. And you can do it online or by post. I recommend doing it online. So here you first type in the new address, the new registration. So registration number going onto the vehicle. So that's the one you just bought. And then you put on the guarantee purchaser, blah blah blah. Then you put on the old one. Yeah, you need the logbook number. So make sure you have the logbook number as well. So you put the logbook number on, you put the postcode in, and then everything's done for you. And you'll get an email of that as well, confirming everything. It might not go live straight away, but in about 24 hours it's usually done, everything. So that will be new on that. Then after you've done that, I recommend getting some plates in the meantime. I recommend Utopia plates, are very good. So what I'm getting on mine is 4D 5mm, which is this acrylic one. It looks amazing. You can get different styles. You can get gel, you can get thinner, not as big acrylic ones if you want 4D. You can get gel ones, you can get different color ones. These are like legal plates, so you can get illegal plates, which are show plates, but you can't drive them on the road with them on. So make sure you get legal plates, okay, and make sure you got legal spacing as well. So all you want to do now is buy the plates, get them made. Well, like say if I bought it off Utopia, what they'll ask me for is the V750. You have to post that off to them, or if you're nearby them, you can just show it them, and you'll need your driver's license, a copy of that. So either I'm going to go to this company, or I'm going to go to another one that's local to me, and because that'll be a lot easier just showing them the documents rather than posting it. It's a risk of being stolen and stuff. So you can just show them the documents, bring your driver's license, show them your documents, they'll print off the plate for you. You can either get them to fit it, or you can fit it yourself. If you're fitting it yourself, you'll either need to get screws or sticky, what do you call it, 3M tape, whatever it is. Yeah, so that's about it. Now I recommend 4D plates because they're really amazing. They like stand out, they like bold. And yeah, make sure you check all the legalities and stuff when you do it. And yeah, that's about everything. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Goodbye.